Everyone on my fucking work's sick too. It's
Welcome
Yeah, I
to
don't
your
wanna get
first day
sick.
on the job.
No, if you get COVID, you
This is
can't go
your
to work,
very own
Connor.
autopilot ship, where you will eat and sleep for the duration
Well,
of your
thanks,
time.
Tyler. I'm aware of that.
I had $20 and I was like, oh, should I buy Lethal Company or weed? And I bought weed.
Whoa!
What? Oh, it was the fridge. I accidentally left the fridge open like a small little bit.
Close it, would ya?
Closed it. Nicocado and avocado. I'm gonna continue to jump on the bed even though the doctor said
That
not
was
to.
scary, man. Right here. Let's go.
I'm one of the few monkeys that jumped on the bed and survived.
Where is the entrance to any place at all? Not a ladder. Don't go down there. There's no ladder there.
What the hell? LeBron James versus Spider-Man.
Hey. Yeah, I'm done.
Is the game fun? You guys know Volcano Baby?
Huh?
You guys know Volcano Baby?
You're just saying volcano baby to me, and I don't know.
I don't know how to explain it.
Look what I found. I found a big screw.
You can look at the Volcano Baby. Now, I've told you the video is 10 times funnier than just the GIF.
Where the big screw go?
It's awesome. I couldn't get into the spaceship with it.
But what
But then
the
it
hell?
climbed.
Yeah!
Uh-oh.
Here!
Oh.
Good GIF.
Give, man.
Good GIF.
Thanks, man.
Good GIF, Gear.
Hi. There's a bottle. A big screw, dude. I found a real big screw. Yeah, let's come back. Go to that hallway. Come with me, Gabby. I don't know where to put the screw. Hey, come here. Let me screw you. That's at $30. That's it.
Nice.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, dude.
No.
Alright, bro, we gotta find more screws. How many pumpkin pies could you eat, man? In one sitting? How many pies can you eat? Personally, like, how many fries would you eat?
Nice.
Whole one? I found another big screw. I found a big thing.
Wait, how did you,
That is a mess.
Is that a rat?
I bet now.
Oh, no.
What do I do?
Just go.
There's a dead mouse moving. Hey, why do you look like Harry Potter?
Motherfucker.
It's the glasses.
Yeah, no shit.
Bro, show us your scar.
Look at my yellow aviators, bro. My orange aviators.
Wow, that's crazy.
You ever see it? I have a scar. I have a scar from shitting myself too hard. It's in my asshole.
In a tropical island.
How do you do that?
You just change it. They did.
That's so cool, Connor. Thank you.
I know. Just so cool like that.
Oh, you make me want to shit myself.
I don't know if you can tell, but I'm doing a thumbs up right now. Whoa.
There's someone who take a fucking med cat.
Shut up, man.
Everybody
grab a weapon. Everyone line up. I want to
Yeah, I
take a
want
little
to see too.
Yeah.
Let me actually look at you. Oh, you're yeet. You're yeet.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're
Alright,
yeet.
let me...
And I am the nostalgia critic, and you are just coached with a t-shirt. Let's go.
Yes.
Where's-
Cam, get your ass over here. Cam, stop.
From
Stay
the
me right now.
PS1.
Cam.
Oh my god, it's just a
Cam. Cam. Cam.
like it, cut G.
Come here. Jesus, man. Come here. Come to me. Alright. Stay, all three of you stay where the fuck you are. Stop moving around like a bunch of fucking idiots. Alright? I need to take a little screen. How do you screenshot again on this fucking thing? Stop fucking hitting me. Too many indicators. My game just crashed. I just had a fucking stroke just trying to figure that out.
What the fuck did I do?
Dude, you
All
fucked
the
up,
zombies are
bro.
blackface. I don't know what I did.
You really wanted that, huh? You really
All
wanted
their
me to
skins
go
are like pure black. I don't know what the fuck they did.
back. Joining a village on the Moros River. We lasted longer than a good lineup.
My mods actually worked a bit.
The mods didn't work. God damn it. Wait. Before you keep moving, stop.
Get to the MPLA!
Yes to the FBLA!
I could, I could get him. Would it get us more points?
I tried to sneak through the door.
But
I don't think
Can't
so.
make it. Can't make it. The stuck. Out my way.
You're blocking the door, man.
yeah, what? What? What the f-
Yeah,
what?
finish.
The witch?
Oh, there's a witch. The witch.
Oh my god! The witch is here!
Just running around Canadian
The game of gold.
gabagool.
Didn't I treat you right?